What's going on, everybody? Today we got a pretty exciting day. Going a couple things to do. First, gotta get my hair cut, pick up some weather checks. Then we're heading to the big meet in Kitchener, and I'm gonna take you along with the whole thing. So, got the haircut done, ready to go. We're gonna go get the car washed, get home, put the weather tech in, do some touch-ups, some paint pens, stuff like that, and we should be ready for the show. Let's go. Yo, so we're not going to the mega meet. We're gonna go to the northern one if you're down. But Kale said he's down to help film some rollers and stuff like that. So if you want to meet at my house or his house at 3:30, we're gonna go shoot some rollers of our cars.